They catch you on the flip. They go way over. Another one. All right. Hello. Marina says this is the best one. I mean, it is green, so that is the best color. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's in the dark. Wow. Woo! Slight bummer, but safety thumbs up. They don't let you bring anything on there. Not even goggles wrapped around your wrist, so no filming those two. Woo! Please do. All right, Ellie, should I go? Whee! That was fun. I'm gonna fly. Woo! Boom, shakalaka! See it. Should I do that one? Yep. Yeah. Whoa. There's a slippy bit. Okay. I think I gotta do this. That was cool. Well, that was not accounted for. Ready?